15 plus new features in Android 13 Developer Preview 2. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a look at 15 plus new features which Google has added with Android 13 Developer Preview 2. First of all, let us access our quick settings panel. Now there are a lot of changes going on over here. First change you will notice is that your media player, the UI has changed. The background is your album art, and the color scheme which is being used over here is being used from the album art. Then if you tap on this phone option over here, which is your media output picker, you now have the option of pairing a new device from this specific pop-up window. Then if you swipe down some more, you will see some more changes. The power button, the settings button, the button to switch your users, all of them have moved down a little bit to the bottom right of your expanded quick settings panel. Then you also have something which is known as a foreground application service. So any applications which are running in the foreground are listed over here, and right now we have one active application. When I tap on this, it tells me that what are the active apps in the foreground. Right now it is files by Google, and I do have the option of stopping it in case I want to. And then the next change you will notice in your quick settings panel is that you have something called priority mode. Now what is this priority mode? Let us press and hold, and surprise surprise, do not disturb has now been renamed to priority mode. So if I go into settings, sound and vibration, you will notice I do not have anything called do not disturb. I have something called priority mode. So that is another change. And while we are in sound and vibration, if you go into vibration and haptics, you will notice you have some more granular controls over here, and you also have a toggle to enable or disable the vibrate first and then ring gradually. And before I forget, we still have our song playing in the background and the media player on the lock screen. This is how it looks like, and any other notifications which you have will show as small dots on the bottom left right below your media player. Now moving back to our quick settings panel, you will notice some other quick setting tiles as well. So you have your QR code quick setting tile. Once you tap on this, it will open the camera application, point it to any QR code, it will scan it, and trust me, this is super fast. Then if you go ahead and edit your quick setting tiles, scroll down, you will notice something called safety. Now when I bring this over to my active section, and then if I try to access it, you will notice it is renamed to security and privacy. When I tap on this, I have my camera control, my microphone control, my location control, and I can also jump over to the security settings in case I want to. Another change you will notice is when you access your screen recorder. So with Android 12L or Android 12.1, the option of show touches on screen was removed, but with Android 13 Developer Preview 2, this option is now brought back. Next change you will notice is whenever you open any application, it is going to ask you if you want to allow the application to send you notifications or not. Then we can jump over to the settings page, go into connected devices, connection preferences. You will notice you have an option called fast pair. And if you go into your display settings, herein you will notice that you have something called display size and text. So the previous option, which were two different options, have been combined into one option, and you can change your font size from here. You have multiple options, and you do get a live preview on the top as well. And then you can change your display size as well. There it is, display size was changed. In case you want bold text, you have a toggle for that as well, and similarly you have a toggle for your high contrast text along with the option of reset. Then while you're still in your display settings, scroll down, go into screensaver. You will notice that you now have a button for preview, and you have a boxed UI over here as well. Next new change you will find is in your accessibility. So if you go into settings, accessibility, here and go into magnification, and you have a toggle to enable or disable your follow typing. Now this is something which is pretty cool, and if you're typing something, you have the magnification effect turned on. It is going to follow you while you are typing it in. Then if you go into adding a new user, so if you go into system and then you can go into your multiple user option here, and if you want to say add a user, select OK, and you have the option of adding a user. You can give it a specific name in case you want to, but if you try to change the profile or user info, bam, here it is. You see, this is the new UI which you get when you try to add a new user. And last but not the least, per app language control is now present in settings, languages and input. App languages, you can see Chrome, I have set it as Hindi, and now if I open the Chrome application, bam, here it is. Chrome is in Hindi, working like a boss. And there it is, peeps, just a small video showing you 15 plus new features which Google has added with Android 13 Developer Preview 2. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.